Student, today we are going to discuss ethical issues in data and software privacy. Here we are going to discuss plagiarism, pornography, tampering computer documents or system hacking, data privacy protection, and software piracy. So these are the few concern in we are going to discuss in this lecture. So the information technology has influenced the working of individuals, organizations, as well as the government. For example, let's take the example of a telecommunication industry. Last 1 or 2 decades, what we can say that the communication media is what we can say that suddenly change. Okay, let's discuss. Telecommunication system has revolutionized the way of individuals communicate with each other. This leads to a change in the models of a communication within the society. People started using phones to communicate with each other instead of meeting personally. This has also resulted in the formation of various telecom regulatory authorities. Yes, exactly. We say that people are using the different communication media to communicate each other, but there might be a chances of that communication might be uh, altered or tampering by the unauthorized access. Okay, so these are the different issues in data and software privacy. First one is plagiarism. The word plagiarism, which has evolved from the Latin word plagiarius, it meaning that the just kidnapper just a kidnapper hold a person hostages and confine him or her against his or her wish. Yes, plagiarism also implies stealing. Plagiarism also implies stealing ideas, thoughts, expression, or writing of other writing of a other person. It is a type of intellectual theft. Plagiarism can occur intentionally or unintentionally, such as through deliberate stealing or mistakenly copying without acknowledging the information that is categorized as a someone's intellectual property. Yes, uh, that might be chances that intentionally or unknowingly the data which is to be copied by the person. Now, it there are different following guidelines must be kept in mind to in order to avoid plagiarism. Have a clear understanding of plagiarism and its consequences so that you can stop unintentional plagiarism. Identify the sources of information that you are going to include in your work. Collect all kind of sources of information such as books, magazines, journals and websites. If you need to copy a portion from someone's work, ensure to enclose the copied portion in quotes and state it as a source. So from where you have to copy that material, you have to just state the uh, author detail. Now next one is pornography. It is referred to the act of publishing or transmitting any kind of obscene information over the internet which would degrade or pervert people who read this information. An important constituent of such information is publishing or transmitting pornographic material in an electronic form. Next one is tampering computer documents or system hacking. This refers to intentional hiding, destroying, or changing or forcing others to hide, destroy, or change the source code of a computer. Yes, this is also known as the resource theft. So what the unauthorized user trying to do over here is trying to access the or alter or what we can say tamper the computer documents of another user. Okay, so these are the things which are related to the uh, ethical issues in data and software privacy. In next we will discuss data privacy and protection. Okay, thank you.